You like sandwiches, so make them like that next time. For this recipe we will need to cut an onion into cubes like this. In a container, I will be breaking for eggs. Adding a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of granulated garlic. And we are going to mix these ingredients very well. People are already commenting to me. What city are you watching us from? I'm going to send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. I will now add our onion. And also parsley. And guys, this sandwich looks wonderful. I'm sure all of you who do will not regret it, because it's delicious. I go now. Add some butter in a skillet and spread very well. I'll add buns, okay. When it's toasted on one side, I'll flip it over so it's roasted on the other side, and then just withdraw. And repeat the same process with 2 more loaves. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Mia from San Diego. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I'll add some butter, and I'm going to add our omelet. Put our bread on top, like this, cover and let it cook on low heat for 7 minutes. Okay, you've cooked it, now with the help of a plate. I'll be turning that way very easy and very fast. And I'll be filling it with a spoonful of ketchup. A spoon of mayonnaise. Also add some grated mozzarella cheese. Put tomato slices. But the filling here is to taste, right? You who choose is yours. I will also add some parsley. And now I'll be closing. Doing it this way. It's a cut in the middle and then closing. Now just add the breads on top and our sandwich is ready. 2 wonderful sandwiches that I'm sure you'll love, because it's delicious. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.